following remedy will help you eliminate the uric acid from your joints, which leads to arthritis. The regular consumption of this drink will significantly reduce the joint inflammation and also get rid of the toxins accumulated in your body. If you are suffering from arthritis, you definitely have to try this natural and easy-made recipe that has the ability to get rid of the uric acid from your joints, and it provides relief from both of pain and inflammation in an instant. How to create the recipe. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized cucumber, 1 inch of ginger root, 1 slice of lemon, 2 celery ribs. Preparation: rinse these ingredients and slice both of the cucumber and celery into pieces. Place these ingredients into a blender and combine them on a high speed for a few minutes. You have to consume this drink for at least twice a day until you notice a great improvement. If you are beginning to feel some mild pain, you need to continue drinking this juice because it is just a sign that this recipe is really effective.